If you want to stop someone from contacting you or seeing your content on TikTok, you can block them in just a few seconds. First, open the TikTok app. Now, there are two easy ways to find the person you want to block. The first way is by searching their username. Tap on the search icon at the top, type their name, and open their profile. The second way is through messages. Go to your inbox, open the chat, and tap on their profile from there. Once you're on their profile, look at the top right corner. Tap on the share icon. A menu will pop up. Here you'll see the block option. Tap on block, then confirm it. That's it. Once blocked, they won't be able to view your profile, send you messages, interact with your content. Now, quick tip. If you ever want to unblock them later, go to your profile, tap the three lines, go to Settings and Privacy, then Privacy, and open Blocked Accounts. From there, you can remove anyone from your blocked list. And that's how you block someone on TikTok.